Ka onye bụ onye a?
Ya Diokpa Eze Chima.
Okay.
Ya bụ papa anyị ncha. Papa anyị ncha. Mụ bụ onye Ọnịcha mmiri, abụ nwa Eze Chima kwụ. Be papa anyị bụ Ọbịọ ka anyị nọ. Ya Ọbịọ Diokpa Eze Chima bụ Ụkpali.
Okay.
Bụ ife establish Chibala Ọbịọ after ka papa ya bụ Eze Chima nwụrụ.
Yeah.
So Ụkpali, which is present day Ọbịọ now, is the head of the Eze Chima dynasty.
Okay.
Yes. And we are proudly Igbos.
Okay.
Proudly Igbos.
Proudly Igbos.
Yes.
No story.
We have zero Benin ancestry. We are proudly Igbos. For those who go and say we are Bini, ask them if Eze Chima is a Bini word.
Okay.
Or if Okpali is a Bini word.
Okay.
Or if Oreze or Heze are Bini words. Or if Olibo is a Bini word. I'm a proud son of Eze Chima. From Onitsha Mili, who you call a new Napondi Onitsha.
Yeah.
Onitsha Mili. I have more Onitsha, Bin of Emily. I want to Ubo, Onitsha Bin Ubo.
So this Eze Chima, how many children come?
You can't say exactly, but
Okay.
they were. But we know that most of the settlements today that were created by his descendants or established. You have Iseluku, Iselepiti, Salazaba, Obompa, Eziuzo, Onitsha Mili, Onitsha Ubo, Onitsha Lona. Some parts of Abo, some parts of Obosi, Eze Chima in Obosi.
Yeah.
And some other parts.
I think he had many children though.
Great, and the funny thing is that the greatest dynasty currently in Igbo land, I would say, is the Eze Chima dynasty. Because that dynasty that you can claim and say, these are established towns today, big towns. There's no way you go, you don't hear of Onitsha today.
Yeah.
So we are proudly Eze Chima.
Yeah.
And we are proudly Igbo.
Yeah.
We don't deny it. We are proudly Igbo. I'm a proud Igbo man.
Ọmụ echiri anaghị ọmụ isigo na nwaanyị pụ ịnabụzi nwoke. Ọmụ ada enwe di. Ọ bụ na ị nwere ụdị mgbe a chọrọ ichili ọmụ, a ga-eje wepụta ya na be di ịnọrọ gị na nwoke ama nọzi n'ofu alarụzi n'ofu ụlọ. Ọmụ na-amụta nwa. Ọmụ na-enwe ụmụ ị ga na-abakwa n'afọ ya. Mana ọ bụ na nke nwoke gị na nwoke ama bizi n'ụlọ. Ya ka eji wee bụ na ọmụ na-abụ nwoke. And ọmụ nwere right ịkpụ ya bụ okpu ododo because o mezugo, o chizugo. O nwe usoro eji echi ọmụ, o chizugo.
This is Creative Law TV. We are live and direct in Delta State and Onitsha North local government, which the name of this town, this village is Obio. And when you look at this is highway, in expressway. So that is it here. So here you go direct to Benin. So we are here in this town. Do you know that Eze Chima you have been hearing about is like he lived in this town and died in this town and gave birth to all his children in this town. You know, a lot of our brothers and sisters believe that Eze Chima was the first Obi of Onitsha. A lot of you guys believe that Eze Chima lived in Onitsha. No! Eze Chima have never been to Onitsha. Eze Chima have never even crossed even the River Niger to enter Onitsha. It was his children that entered Onitsha and spread other places. Eze Chima lived here and died here. This is Obio in Onitsha North local government of Delta State. This is Igbo land and we're here to tell you a story. Let's go and see where Eze Chima was buried and Eze Chima himself. Let's go. Follow us. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Comment, share, support us. It's very, very important. We are pleading support us and we'll keep on going. Follow us. Let's go. Oh, it's beautiful, man. So, where are we right now?
I know Obio. Now, Onitsha North local government of Delta State.
Okay.
Yes.
So, ka onye bụ onye a?
Ya Diokpa Eze Chima.
Okay.
Ya bụ papa anyị ncha. Papa anyị ncha. Mụ bụ onye Ọnịcha mmiri, abụ nwa Eze Chima kwụ. Be papa anyị bụ Ọbịọ ka anyị nọ. Ya Ọbịọ Diokpa Eze Chima bụ Ụkpali.
Okay.
Bụ ife establish Chibala Ọbịọ after ka papa ya bụ Eze Chima nwụrụ.
Yeah.
So Ụkpali, which is present day Obio now, is the head of the Eze Chima dynasty.
Okay.
Yes. And we are proudly Igbos.
Okay.
Proudly Igbos.
Proudly Igbos.
Yes.
No
we have
stories.
zero Benin ancestry. We are proudly Igbos. For those who go and say we are Bini, ask them if Ezechima is a Bini word,
Okay.
or if Opal is a Bini word, or
Okay.
if Oreze or Heze are Bini words, or if Olibo is a Bini word.
Okay.
Forget propaganda online.
Okay. Then what is the relationship between Ezechime
Yeah.
and Benin Kingdom? Because they have
He
something.
migrated from somewhere in the Igbo land to Benin Kingdom. Benin was like the Lagos back then. Everybody moved there for trading, business. It was a bustling place then.
Okay.
Yes, so he probably moved there, and after some disputes, he had what we call reverse migration, coming back eastwards,
Okay.
where he settled here
Okay.
before passing on here, and then his children dispersed from this place.
Okay.
It was from here that all of us, Mom 19 and family, from here that we all moved various places.
Okay.
But he was buried there.
Okay.
If you look right across in front there, you find his tomb. Yes, sir. You find his tomb there, where he
Okay.
was buried.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm a proud son of Ezechime. From Onitsha Mili, who you call Nuna Bondi Onitsha.
Yeah.
Ono Onitsha Mili. Anya abo mo Onitsha bin of Emili. And Onitsha Ubo, Umo Onitsha bin Ubo.
So this Ezechime, how many children come?
You can't say exactly, but
Okay.
they were. But we know that most of the settlements today that were created by his descendants or established. You have Iseluku, Iselepitim, Salazaba, Obompa, Iziuzo, Onitsha Mili, Onitsha Ubo, Onitsha Lona. Some parts of Abo, some parts of Obosi, Umuzechima and Obosi,
Yeah.
and some other parts.
I think he had many children though.
Great, and the funny thing is that the greatest dynasty currently in Igbo land, currently I would say, is the Ezechima dynasty. Because that dynasty that you can claim and say, these are established towns today, big towns. There's no way you go, you don't hear of Onitsha today.
Yeah.
So we are proudly Ezechima, and we are proudly Igbo.
Yeah.
We don't deny it, we are proudly Igbo.
You
I'm
know,
a proud Igbo man.
yeah. Some people, especially our Igbo brothers and sisters, they believe that we are discussing this online. We are bringing this to you guys so that you guys will learn something. Because don't let fake story to blind your eyes from seeing the reality. This is a chairman. He's an Igbo man. He's not from Benin.
The truth is, when you ask them how is it Benin, they'll tell you he was formerly called Eze Ihime, Ikime, Ohime. Ask them how Ohime became Eze Chima. They don't know. Ask them how Benin people start using the Ofo. They don't know. They use the Ofo here. They use the Ofo in Onitsha where I come from. They use the Ofo across Eze Chima clans. And the Ofo is the highest Igbo symbol of authority.
Yeah.
So you cannot use the Ofo. It's like using the Bible and saying you're a Muslim, but use the Bible.
It doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense.
Or being a Christian and use the Quran. No, nah. Christians use the Bible. Muslims use the Quran. So Igbos use the Ofo.
Yeah. So this narrative should stop. This narrative should stop. If you don't know it, you should learn it today. Ezechime is an Igbo man who traveled far and near for business
Yes, and return back.
and returned back and settled here
Daughter that we are reverse
and
migration.
gave birth to his children,
Yes.
which the Okpala is
Opali, which is Obio today.
which is Obio. This town we are currently standing on. You understand? And this is where the man called Ezechime died. He lived his life and died there here and told his children to bury him in this particular place.
Yeah.
So that is why in this particular place, the in this particular place, this is the home of Diokpala.
Yes.
Because he is the first son.
And this is the home from where the other children moved to their present
Moved to
location.
their OBs,
So,
like
so
different
it is very
settlements.
symbolic. It is very symbolic.
Very simple.
It is very symbolic.
And very, it's not complicated like
Yes.
people think. It's very simple.
Yes.
It's for you to open your brain and learn. Don't argue.
Yes.
Because a lot of you will drop comments and begin to argue what you don't know. We are telling you the history. This is Ezechime Onwea. And I can tell you that this is not his. Is this his real picture?
No, but it's an imagery.
Yeah, that represents him.
And you can see he was represented in Igbo attire.
Yeah.
The hostel for kings.
Yes.
The OP. The Opume.
Yeah.
The Ugo. Ugo Nabu showing that he was a very senior chief.
Yeah.
The Korabi, the Aka.
Yeah.
And the rapper tied across the shoulders, like the way Igbos tie
He's
the rappers
an Igbo
across.
man now.
You can see the way the rapper is tied, the way Igbos tie the rapper across the shoulder.
Yeah.
So he's a proud Igbo man.
He's an Igbo man. And looking at when you look at him, I think he's the gym. Look at him. The person that molded this sculpture did the
Yes,
amazing work.
yes.
He
I am
tried.
Igbo,
He tried.
proudly.
He tried.
Proudly.
So this is Igbo land. Don't let anybody deceive you or tell you otherwise.
Mụnwa bụ Ọmụ Onyebuchibe Okonkwo, the Ọmụ of Obio. Na 2018 ka echibelu m Ọmụ wee lụọ kịta, aka m bụ Ọmụ. Ana etu o si wee bụ Ọmụ n'obodo a, ọlụ Ọmụ bụ spiritual, ihe mmụọ ka ọwụ, ọ bụghị ihe a na-akọ n'iro. Ọlụ m bụ na ana m elekọta obodo a anya maka njọ, ka njọ ghara ịbata obodo, ka ihe ọjọọ ghara ịbata obodo, na-elekọta ahịa ọnụ. Mụ nwere ahịa, mụ na-elekọta ahịa ọnụ. Then mgbe m chiri Ọmụ wee lụọ kịta, until na m atọsịa fena, o nwere onye ọzọ ya echizi ya bụ Ọmụ. Ọ ka esi eme ya. Ọlụ Ọmụ bụ na Ọmụ na-elekọta obodo anya. Ọmụ dị ka nnukwute nwaanyị. Ọmụ nwere ohere ịnụta nwaanyị nke ya, ọ mụtara ya ụmụ. Ọmụ nwekwa ohere ịlụ dibịa. Ọmụ nwe ohere ịlụ ụmụ ntụtụ ihe. Ife Ọmụ ji ekpu okpu ododo bụ na oche Ọmụ bụ nnukwute oche. Ọ bụ na ọ bụrụ ụmụ nwaanyị niile na-anọ n'oche anwa, na nwaanyị ewepụtalụ, mmụọ wepụta na ọnyanwa ga-eneta obodo anya, ọnyanwa na-ekpu okpu ododo. Ife a na-akpọ bụ okpu ododo. Ọmụ echiri anaghị Ọmụ isigo na nwaanyị pụọ, ị na-abụzi nwoke. Ọmụ ada enwe di. Ọ bụ na ị nwere ụdị mgbe a chọrọ ichiri Ọmụ, a ga-eje wepụta ya na be di, ịnọrọ gị na nwoke ama anọzi n'ofu, alarụzi n'ofu ụlọ. Ọmụ na-amụta nwa. Ọ bụ na enwe ụmụ ị ga na-abakwa n'afọ ya. Mana ọ bụ na nke nwoke gị na nwoke ama bizi n'ụlọ, ya ka eji wee bụ na Ọmụ na-abụ nwoke. And Ọmụ nwere right ikpu ya bụ okpu ododo because o mezugo, o chizugo. O nwe usoro eji echi Ọmụ, o chizugo. O nwere ndị obodo ichiche na-azakwa Ogbuefi, ekene ha bụ Ogbuefi. Mana n'obodo ma sọsọ m bụ Ogbuefi, maka na kịtị na efi ka m ji wee chi Ọmụ. Ya ka eji akpọ m Ogbuefi. Ụmụ eze Chima niile nwere Ọmụ. Ọ bụrụ ife ụmụ nwaanyị kpa, na ụmụ nwoke bụ ndị kpalụ nkata nwa. Ọ bụrụ nkata akpa eji wee ṅụọ iyi na a ga-ewepụta nwaanyị ga na-anọ nọchibe obi, na o nwere okwu ga-apụta anyị. Ọ bụrụ ife niile ka a ga-ewejela obi, na a ga-ewetala Ọmụ ya. Etu obi si enwe chiefs ka Ọmụ si enwe chiefs. So ọnọdụ ụmụ nwoke edebe ka e wee nyela obi aka. So obodo ndị dịka Anịọcha North na Anịọcha South, ha nwesi Ọmụ. Obodo ndị niile nọ na Anịọcha na osimiri na Anịọcha, ha nwe Ọmụ. Ebe a ka Ọmụ ka dị. Ọnịcha nwere Ọmụ. Agbọ nwere Ọmụ. Ifogonian. So amaghịzi maka ndị Ọgbarụ nwere Ọmụ. Ọgbarụ nwere Ọmụ. Ndị Yoruba na-enwe Ọmụ. Ha maka a na-akpọ Iyaloja because na Ọmụ nwere afịa. Ọmụ dị in charge of the market. So Yoruba nwere Ọmụ. Hausa na-enwere Ọmụ, a na-akpọ ya Queen. So ị na-anya na ife eji akpọ nke anya Ọmụ, ife a na-akpọ bụ Ọmụ na-ebu ụzọ na nkụ. Ime ogologo, ime ọkịrịka ka Ọmụ si wee pụta. is ọyọ atụtụ inu na be anyị ime ogwu na ọkịrịka ka ọmụ si wee pụta ọmụ bụ nkụ ị na-anya na nkụ ife a na-apụta n'elu ya bụ ọmụ is fertility. Ọmụ is like a deity. Ụmụnne m na ụmụnna m ọnụ niile na-asụ nnụa na ndo ịbụla onye Igbo biko bịanụ na nso kunu n'ụlọnụ m bịanụ ka edozi ana Igbo ka Igbo dị mma unu ma na Igbo dị mma Igbo amaka Igbo niile bụkwa n'ofu biko bịanụ nso ka unu anyị niile tinye aka ka ana Igbo wee dị mma ka mmụọ niile dị n'ala Igbo wee soro anyị biko nu ayịyọ ka nna ya ọmụnwa bụ ọmụ onye bụ chibe na ya ọnụ si unu biko nu ọnụ niile na-asụ nnụa na ndo ka unu pụta ka anyị were ife chi anyị nye anyị ọdịnala anyị ka ọ ghara ifu ọdịnala anyị ka ọ ghara imebikwanụ biko nu onye ọbụla na-emezi iche n'iche ife nna arịọkwanụ bụ ka niile pụtakwa ka anyị bụrụ ofu na Igbo amaka